Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down the phone and laying it face down on a soft, stable surface so nothing slips. Next, locate the edge of the camera protector with firm light and use a clean fingernail or thin plastic pick to get an initial lift. This minimizes scratching. Once you've raised a corner slightly, pause and make sure the pick is only under the protector edge and not touching the lens glass. This step prevents damage and keeps the work controlled. Now peel the protector slowly and steadily, maintaining a shallow angle so adhesive releases evenly. Rapid pulling risks cracking the protector or stressing the lens. As you lift, use a microfiber cloth to catch any loose adhesive or dust. Wipe against the lifted edge to remove residue. If you feel resistance, stop and lift from a different corner. Redistributing force prevents shards and reduces the chance of adhesive tearing and leaving. Finish by cleaning the lens area. Apply 70% isopropyl alcohol to a microfiber cloth and gently remove any residual adhesive, then dry with a clean section of the cloth to prevent streaks. Once done, inspect the lens under bright light and use a blower to remove tiny particles. Make sure fingerprints are gone. If the protector shatters during removal, pause and use a bit of clear tape to lift fragments safely before cleaning, so no glass remains on the camera or inside the housing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.